Hey guys, I am Dewberry here and I'm making another video, and my video is about my drumsticks. So I've just know that my drumsticks is a very good pair of drumsticks. As you can see, the drumsticks is Super 7A. It's from Zindia. If you want this drumstick, you can buy it. I'm gonna soon post a drum video soon. A drum video about me playing drums, yeah. So you can check that out. Maybe a few weeks after this, a few days after this, I'll get a drum set and I'll play some drums. Oh yeah, and also I wanted to teach you all how to do some drum moves. Drum moves like this. Easily done. But if you can do it, it's something like this. But this is more complicated, so let me teach you. By the way, do you notice anything different? I have the Nike eyebrow. Nike. Okay, my mother helped me to do that, I don't know why, but never mind. So first, you see my hand, the stick, this sticky thing, this stick. So put on my hand here, chop chop, chop chop, chop chop chop, chop chop. Put in my chopstick hand here. So like this, you can start to use your thumb to push this thing here. Push, push. Try to like make your finger even. So it's something like this. Something like this. So you go from here to here. Then back here. And if you are good enough, you can start to roll your fingers here. So it's something like this. So you are, oh shit. So you are rolling your fingers. Rolling your fingers. Can do it the right hand is also the same, so you can roll your fingers like this, by rolling your fingers. And after you roll your fingers, you can start to do this, what y'all call that, what's that, charge. It's like a spinning pen trick, so it's something like this. It's very cool when you're playing drums. It'll be very cool. So something like this. But if you are professional, you can do some more stunts like shit. Okay. So this is more about it. My drumsticks and my eyebrows. Epic eyebrows. My drumsticks are so very epic. So get ready for the new drum video that I'm gonna make in the future. In the future, I will see you guys. And don't forget to subscribe. And bye guys.